Here we have a 2018 BMW 430i M Sport. Now this vehicle comes with over £5,000 worth of optional extras, all listed on the website. Just to mention a few though, we do have the M Sport Plus package. We do also have the 19-inch gloss black alloy wheels, all in excellent condition, and with the blue M Sport brake calipers just behind. We have the Glacier silver metallic paintwork, the LED headlights. We also have the gloss black front kidney grills. We have the gloss black front splitter as well, and there's a look at that front end. Round to the passenger side, you find we have the side skirts along the bottom. We also have the M Sport suspension, colour coded door handles and door mirrors, black trim around the windows, and the privacy glass for the rear passengers. Shark fin antennae up top, along with the gloss black rear spoiler just here on the tailgate. We do also have the front and rear parking sensors with a visual display inside. We've got the rear diffuser and the twin pipe exhaust at the back. Now if you press this button on the remote, it will pop the boot open, so we can just open it up, and inside of here you can see we have a decent amount of space. We do also have the extra pockets on the left and right hand side as well. Handle underneath there so we can pull it back down. Walking back round to the driver's side, you can see the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. Taking a look then at the interior. So inside of here you'll find we have the full black leather interior. We do have the seats at the back, the two seats back here, foldable armrests and the fixed ISO points as well. Same full leather interior at the front. Both front seats are electrically adjustable, memory function on the driver's side, and they're also both heated. Got the Harman Kardon sound system, electric mirrors, electric windows, automatic lights, automatic wipers, and a multifunctional steering wheel as well. Just take a seat inside, you find the digital dashboard in front of us. So if we put our foot on the brake and then press the start button, the vehicle will start up for us. Got speedometer, cruise control here on the left hand side. We also have the high beam assist just there on that stalk. Now we are free from any warning lights on the dashboard other than about the fuel level, so nothing to worry about. We do also have the main infotainment screen here in the centre. Plenty of features on here you would have seen on the photos. If we could quickly go through them, we've currently got the sat nav, but we do also have the shortcuts down here. So if we click onto the media, you find the radio stations along with the other media options as well. We also have the Bluetooth phone connectivity for making phone calls. Now if we move further down, you find the climate control. We have the heated seats, ice-cold air conditioning as well, all working as they should do. Got the cup holders just here with the 12-volt connectivity, automatic gearbox for the different drive modes. So just press onto here, you find Eco Pro, Comfort, Sport, and also Sport Plus with the sport displays, which is a pretty cool feature to have. As you can see, also changes the dashboard for the different drive modes. As we flick through them, you can see just like so. If you put the car into reverse, then you find the front and rear parking sensors appear on the screen. Put it back into park by pressing the P. We do also have the manual handbrake just here, leather armrest which can be opened up for more storage. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today though. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT, and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this BMW 430i M Sport. Now the purpose of this video test drive is to show the vehicle drives exactly as you expect it to. As you can see, it's now defined the steering wheel to keep it in a straight line, not veering off to the left or to the right hand side, but staying straight and true. Now we do have the multifunction steering wheel, which has the paddle shifters on either side. So if you did want to stick the car into manual mode, you can simply tap all the paddles and it will change gear. We do also have the speedometer and the cruise control on the left hand side. We've got the volume buttons and the Bluetooth phone connectivity just here on the right. Digital dashboard in front of us, which can show different displays. We also have the premium Harman Kardon sound system in this vehicle. It really does sound incredible. And if you do this carefully as well throughout the video test drive, you'll also notice we'll be free from any unwanted knocks or bangs. Now we also have the full leather interior throughout the vehicle. Really comfortable seats, easy to do 2, 3, 400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. We also have plenty of other features on the interior. The main screen just here in the centre, which currently showing the sat nav, but also has plenty more features that you'll see on the photos. Below there we do have the dual zone climate control for the front. We have the ice-cold air conditioning as well, perfect for them hot summer days. We do also have the automatic gearbox as well with all the different drive modes. Now in a moment we are about to take a right hand turn onto the industrial park where I will perform an emergency stop. stop, put the car into reverse, just to show that the brakes and also the parking sensors work as they should do. So put our right indicator on now, we'll start to slow down, wait for the traffic to pass, and then we'll make the right hand turn now onto the industrial park, and I will perform an emergency stop in 3, 2 and 1. Hard onto the brakes, put the car into reverse, parking sensors appear on the screen, back into drive with no issues whatsoever. And if this video hasn't answered all your questions, then please feel free to get in contact with our sales team, where they can answer all unanswered questions, along with running through some inquiries with you. That's all from me today though. Cheers.